He's my guest, he's our guest. He's the guest of police headquarters. His name is PC or Police Constable Wuuno Abdallah. Wuuno Abdallah, you must have been seeing him on social media. He went very viral, braving the rain and carrying out his traffic duties, I think around that is Mawanda Road, braving the rain. So to see me in the view of Uganda Police, he demonstrated remarkable dedication to his responsibilities. And we have received, that's not the first time, we've received numerous reports praising his enthusiasm and commitment to duty. But most importantly, I would like to convey the Inspector General's message of appreciation for his patriotic spirit. The Inspector General of Police.
Njagala kutwala omukisa guno kwebaza Katonda Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala okumpa chance eno lero nange kulabika wano maso g'abantu maso ga dunia. Kyokubiri njagala kwebaza afande ampadde omukisa okutulako ku katebeke si byangu era neyanziza nnyo mukama wange. Then nebaza polisi kubanga kuva buto twali nga tulwananga bumundu bubiti nga ngamba lumu nja kukolera Uganda era it is a dream come true. Njagala kwebaza nnyo polisi yatwala omukisa nendeta ku polisi paka lero nange sobola kubeera maso ga cameras. Then of course so akwirabira abamawulire bamaanyi nnyo nange banaye mwebale nnyo kubanga if singa tali mwe okukuba bufaanani okukola biki no one know me. So mwe neyanziza nnyo era mpromisinga mbu nja kugenda maaso nga nkolera Uganda njagala nnyo ensi eno. So I promise ngenda genda maaso nga nkola n'amaanyi. This is not the end. Tebikoma wano tukyagenda maaso tukolere Uganda. Mwebale nnyo.
So I resume my chair, which had been taken by PC to Sime. Yes. Sime is attached to Chira Road Police Division, and he has been